Hello students. In last video I had explained you the format of job application, right? So in this video I will explain you example of job application. So in your exam it is compulsory question. If you pay attention, it is very easy that you will remember very well, right? Okay, student, this is the answer of question. In your exam the question will be like this. For example, Neeta A. Makwana, residing at 202 Vatsalya apartment, Lonsikui, Navsari, wants to do a job of chemistry teacher. Required at, for example, AB School, Partapur, Navsari. Draft a suitable application on behalf of her. This type of question will be asked in your exam and you have to write the answer like this way. Okay? If you can ask, sir, if in exam, if not candidate's name will not be given, then what we have to do? Then you have to write XYZ at the place of Neeta A. Makwana. Clear? Neeta A. Makwana, at the place of Neeta A. Makwana you have to write XYZ. But student, it will never happen. In your final exam the name of candidate will be given to you. For example, if you are Mona or Mayur, girl student can write Mona. If you are Mona or Mayur A. Gandhi, girl student can write Mona A. Gandhi, boy student can write Mayur A. Gandhi, right? So this kind of question will be asked to you in your exam. Full address will be given to you. You have to write, always remember, you have to write each and everything at the left side only. First, candidate's address from your question. Neeta A. Makwana, under it 202 Vatsalya apartment, in neat and clean handwriting. Clear? Always remember, again I repeat, in neat and clean handwriting. If your presentation will be good, you will get maximum marks. If you have done untidy work, your 1 mark or 1.5 will be deducted. Or if you have done beautifully, teacher, when the teacher check your paper, he or she will be thinking like this: oh, how beautiful these handwritings are. Or he or she will be thinking like this way, that this has been typed. It should be looked like you have typed the application. Means your handwriting must be good. If you have done very fine work in neat and clear handwriting, surely you will get maximum marks. How you have presented your presentation, how you get your mark will be depend on your presentation only, students. So we will move forward. Lonsikui, Navsari. After that, date. The day on which you write the application, you have to write the same date. For example, if you write this application today only, you have to write today's date. And if your exam, date of exam is 5th October, you can write like this: 5th October 2020, on which you write this. Okay, then you have to write receiver's address. First write to, then it is school, so principal. If it is company, you have to write a manager. If not, only PB is given, post bag number is given, and name of post office is given. You have to write the advertiser. Means select either the principal, manager or the advertiser. Clear? But maximum advertiser, the advertiser, name of advertiser will be asked rarely. So you have to write, for example, if the post is for teacher, you have to write principal, and if the post is except the teacher, you have to write the manager, and after that under it you have to write the name of company. Here the principal, AB School, Partapur, Navsari. After that, subject and application for the post of a chemistry teacher. It will be given compulsory. Name of post will be given to you in your exam. Otherwise, you cannot write answer. If name of post will not be given, how you can write answer? So it will be compulsory given in your exam. So an application for the post of a chemistry teacher. After, drop one line. Then dear sir or madam. You can write dear ma'am or sir. Then gap of one line. Same paragraph, students, same, which is given in format. Clear? And reply to your advertisement for the above mentioned post. Published in Times of India today. Then you have to put comma. I would like to put in my candidature for the same with all my details for your kind consideration. Then you have to write full point. My complete biodata. Don't write is as under, but write are as under, because it is plural. Clear, students? Then drop one line. Then your personal details. Name. Same name. The answer has been started from Nita A. Makwana. You have to write the same name over here. Nita A. Makwana. Date of birth 1st April 1985. You can ask me, sir, can we write our own date? Yes, you can write, but you cannot write the number of year, right? Because you have not completed, student. At present, you have not completed 21 year or 22 years. Understood? This is approximately. So you have to write 1985, because if we add 15 in this, in 2000, you have completed your 10th standard, right? At present, you are 16 or 17 only. And in real life, you have to write when you will be 22 or 23 years old. Always remember. So here you have to write 1st April 1985. If instead of 1st April, you can write your real date of birth and name of month. But in year, write 1985 for convenience. Okay, students. Then gender, female, because Nita is female. For example, instead of Nita, Mayure Makwana will be given. You have to write male. Marital status, married. Hobbies, teaching, reading and singing. You can write like this. If you write teaching, reading and singing, in real life, if you have written, if you know singing, then you can write singing in real life after completing 23 or 24. But if you have written singing, and if it will be your personal interview, and if your sir will ask, the person who will ask you about sing a song or sing 2 lines of song, and then you can tell, no sir, I feel shyness, so it will be very bad. So beware or mind well before writing singing, right? Okay. Or at this time you can tell in Gujarati, if your interviewer, if your sir will ask you like this way, sing a song for us in personal interview, and in Gujarati you can tell, sure mane sharam lage. It will be very bad. Clear, students? So if you know singing, so you don't feel shyness in singing in front of the persons. Clear? Language is known. Language is Hindi, English, Gujarati. By mistake, Gujarat, it is written Gujarat. But write Gujarati, write T-I. Sorry for that, I haven't typed I. So in your copybook, correct the spelling Gujarati. Reading, writing and speaking. English, you can read yes sir, you can write yes, you can speak yes. Hindi and Gujarati, in both. Sir, I can write Hindi, I can read and I can speak. Gujarati, yes sir, I am Gujarati. I can read Gujarati, I can write and I can speak also. So I know 3 languages. In single line, language is known. If you write like this way, Hindi, English, Gujarati, if you don't want to make this chart, reading, writing, speaking, It is also okay, students. It is also okay. But you frame like this way, it will be nice. It will be nice to see, right? Then educational qualification, students. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Post of a teacher. So SSC first. The year in which Nita has been born is 1985 plus 15. If you add 15 in 1985, answer will be 2000. Round figure. That's why I have told you to select 1985. So in 15 years, she has completed her SSC examination, secondary school certificate, with 92%. Clear? Okay? That's why I have given you this chart. So you will not make any kind of mistake. Student, if you know the real age, the student who studies in 9th standard, you have to add 5 in it. If students study in 9th standard, 9 plus 5, 14, he or she will be 14. If you are studying in 11, 11 plus 5, you will be 16. If you are studying in 12th standard, so 12 plus 5, you are 17 years old. Clear? That's why I am telling you, you have not completed your 21. Nobody over here in student in 12th standard will be of 21, 22 or 23 years old. So in real life, you have to write this in after completing your post-graduation. So at present, you have to write 1985. That's why I am giving you this advice. Now look, HSC, JSCB Gandhinagar in 2002 with 89%. Bachelor of Science, MS University, Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad, Vadodara, Baroda, 2005. Bachelor degree of 3 years with 75%. Master degree, Master of Science. It will be of duration of master degrees 2 years, 2007 with 87%. Then B.Ed in 2008 in 83%. Student in past, the duration of B.Ed was 1 year. At present it is 2 years. But in past it was 1 year. That's why I have written 2008 means 1 year duration. Clear? Okay. Work experience. I have been serving with SFA, Convent School. For example, name of any school, Navsari, since October 2010. Means in 2008 you have got the certificate of B.Ed. Within 2 years you have got the job. So in 2010 I have joined there. Current salary 25,000 per month. Expected salary as per your rules. Reason for leaving, why? For better future. The teacher wants to go in another school, she or he can change the job. Reference, Mr. Prakash T. Patel, teacher, Dalichand Nagar, Bilimora. Mrs. Pragya P. Patel, teacher, Ambawadi, Kesli. Right? These are the references. Always remember you have to give 2 references, not one single one. Right? Okay. After that, hoping to be favored and waiting for a favorable reply. Then thanking you. After that, comma, in anticipation, yours faithfully. Student, always remember, don't write yours faithfully means between S and R. Don't put apostrophe S. Write simple YOURS. Not like this YOUR apostrophe S. This is wrong. If you by mistake, if you write YOUR then apostrophe S, your half mark will be deducted. Like yours faithfully. Then comma, Nita A. Makwana, signature. Then last enclosure, all the true copies of my necessary certificates. Clear, students? Like this way you can write any application answer in your final exam. Clear, students? Okay. So now we are completing this. Okay. We will meet in the next video with new topic. Okay. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.